Hey guys, I'm Scott. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about building this simple $30 lung saving shop air filtration. We're not just going to be talking about making it, we're going to be talking about why we need to make it and how much dust and contaminants is actually generated while we're doing metal work. So we're going to start that in just a second. Before we do that, if you like this kind of stuff, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, it'd be great. And I did a lot of research on this before I did this video because I think it's important. And I do have a 6-page PDF research on the different kinds of MERV filters, the contaminants, the damage they do to the body, how long they stick around in the shop, and what we need to do to get rid of them. So, hope you like it. Two ounces of grinding, 2 ounces of dust of grinding, and that only accounts for 1/3 of what came off the pieces, the cutoff wheel, and the grinding disc. The rest of that is airborne. So we got almost 5 ounces floating around in the air for the next few hours. We need to do something. Over 2 ounces of grinding dust collected off the floor in the immediate vicinity of the grinding and cutting area. Under 5 minutes of metal work. 1/3 of what is released in the event is collected on the floor. The rest is in the air. We're breathing it. It's hazardous stuff. I did a lot of research. I mean, it's scary stuff, man, really. I did a lot of research, and I came up with this fact page about all the stuff that we as craftsmen are breathing. Wood, metal, paint, fumes, I mean, everything. How long it stays atomized, how deep it gets into our body, and the real simple fix for it. I've looked at shop air filters for a long time, just trying to find one that fits right and does this, does that. Economical. The filters are easy to get to. You can buy them easily. You don't have to order them. It doesn't take 2 weeks to get here. Not $100 for a 3-pack or something like that. So here's what I came up with. Walmart, $20, $19.99, 2000 CFM remote control fan. Running on medium, the number 2 setting, going to get you about 1500 CFM. That's accounting for the reduction when you attach the filter. There's a million videos on YouTube about making a nice case and a nice enclosure for the filter. And yeah, I've been planning on doing that forever. But you know what? As serious as this is a good approach. Vinyl duct tape. Even went with white. Guys, I don't know how to drive this one home hard enough, but 30 bucks, there's really no excuse to not have something to filter the air, to save our eyes, our lungs, to stop this particles from getting into our homes. I mean, my home, kids, woman, is through that door. It opens, air moves, dust follows my feet. I'm ashamed that I haven't done this before now. A few days ago, I was grinding, cutting, cleaning some steel up, 6-7 hours. Just when I went to sleep, about an hour later, I woke up with tremendous eye pain. I actually had to go get my eyes looked at because I could not keep them closed. And I had little tiny abrasions all over the surface of my eyes and eyelids because of basically micro sandblasting. Now, I got about 400 square feet here, and it's winter, it's closed off. So there's not a lot of air moving without a filter. So all that particles is stuck in the air. What we found today was I literally was grinding, cutting just for demonstration video on how much dust gets collected for 3 to 5 minutes max. We got about 2.2 ounces of grinding dust was collected from the floor. That's roughly about a third of the actual grinding dust accumulated. About 6.5 ounces was generated, and over 4 ounces is floating around in tiny particles. And we can see that. Test it for yourself. Don't believe me. Grind, use your table saw, do some woodworking, do some sanding, do some cutting, whatever. Sweep up the floor real quick. Take a break, grab a beer, grab a sandwich, come back, sweep again. You can actually see more dust that you just swept accumulate. Well, that's the dust settling. And then every time we walk through the shop, it's stirred up again, goes up in the air. 30 bucks, really, no reason not to do it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, see what we got going on. I got some projects in the works. I just kind of put a stop to them all to get this one out there because I think it's really important. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.